Hello friends, today I would like to introduce you an amazing loan officer, Aram, with Movement Mortgage.
Hello.
So we are going to discuss a big topic today. I'm sure at least some of you been in the situation got denied in traditional condo financing. So we would like you to know that there are options.
Yes, Fannie Mae may deny condo if it's what is called non-warrantable. What makes condominium projects non-warrantable is litigations, physical deficiencies, and among other problems. Could be an issue with budget, with reserves, things of that nature that can make condo non-warrantable. Even though condo is non-warrantable, that does not mean it cannot be financed because there are options available to clients. When Fannie Mae cannot go standard conventional route, there are loan options available. They do require usually higher down payment, but project can be financed oftentimes. So options are available. Just because Fannie said no does not mean you cannot buy condo.
Okay, amazing. And this is something we wanted to discuss today, right? So, can you briefly explain how movement mortgage is different?
We had a case, where lenders would deny condo because of litigations. Movement condo department doesn't just say, oh, if there's litigation, that means no. We actually dig deeper. And we did have case, for example, where lender denied client and it was a rescue loan and client came to us and we looked at it. Our condo department asked, what's the nature of litigation? We obtained all the paperwork. Turned out to be litigation was a parking lot dispute between one of the owners and HOA. That was not a big deal. We were able to finance this condo project without any issues. So I would say what is special about financing condo with movement is our superior condo department and our team that is doing an amazing job.
Should people count on bigger down payment? What would be the down payment usually if you financing something that got denied in traditional financing?
In terms of financing, it's a standard loan. If you qualify, you can do 3% down, 3.5%, 5% down, or more. What makes condos slightly different is loan level price adjustments that impacts the interest rate. And generally, if you make 25% down payment or more, then those LLPAs on condo disappear, and the pricing becomes similar to single family residence. However, what I would point out is condos are also different. Sometimes you look at condo, if it is detached condo, we treat it as single family residence. So we're not treating it as some project. So yeah, but generally you can finance it. If condo cannot be financed with Fannie Mae, FHA, VA, and people have usually 20% down payment, they can go with um, other options like non-QM lending, where you can use, we can finance non-warrantable condos, and generally requirements are not too complicated.
I should have started with that. Real estate agents, buyers, please check on condo eligibility at the very beginning when you looking into the condos, right? It's the first step before you doing an offer, before you putting an offer in. Send it to your mortgage professional. They will be able to check it for you, right?
Absolutely. There are recent changes that were implemented by Fannie Mae, which we should mention is actual cash value for roof replacement has been a big roadblock for condo financing, but not anymore. So that's a good thing. We know that limited review has been eliminated and many people are panicking, but full review is still available and we're great at it. Another positive change, ta-da, if you could not buy condo with heavy investor concentration, that's no longer an issue on conventional loans. Another great change, if you're working with new projects, newly established projects, PERS review has been eliminated, and now lenders can certify the new projects for you much quicker, and we can help you with that. So those are great changes, among others. But yeah, a lot of projects are now financeable. So if you had lost a deal because of investor concentration, go back to it.
thank you so much. It was really nice having you over, chatting with you. I hope, guys, we
Likewise.
are useful. Yeah, if you have any questions, please drop them below or reach out. We are here to help you.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.